Dear viewer, today I will show how to make a automatically motor start stop program after 60 seconds in Siemens S7-200 PLC and show the simulation of this program by using S7-200 simulator. So let's go start. First we open the microwin step 7 software, then we define the symbol that we use in this program. Start push button, PLC address is 0.0, comments, start button. Then stop push button, PLC address is I0.1, comments, stop button. Motor, PLC address is 0.0, comments says the level is motor status. Then we compile this program, have any error or not. We found that there is no error. Then we save this project for future use. Name as motor start 60 seconds. Save. Now we go to the main program. Interface, main observation block, we insert a start, normally open contact, or we use a start button, level is start button. Then we insert a stop button, level is 0.1. we need a motor circuit, motor relay coil for Q 0.0 to making this motor automatically shows. For this need a latch circuit, we making a latch circuit. Now when the motor is start and the timer is start, for that we need a TON, that means on delay timer, when motor start, this timer will be start. For that here we using this motor contact, that when motor will be start, this timer will start. Name this timer is 337. You know that the timer is timer user 100 millisecond. It start from the 37, so we rename it in 337. When this timer is finished, that means after 60 seconds this motor will be stopped. So we use this timer contact is here as a stop button, normally close button. Then when the timer is finished, then we have to be started another timer, that this second will be motor will be stop. For that we insert another tab, we use a normally open contact. Here we use a memory point for the latching system. When as this timer 37 is stopped, then the another timer want to start. For that we use this contact is here. Here we use another timer is TON. Here is we use a memory point to make the timer is started. If we don't use this, this 37 timer will be start that another timer, but it will be automatically stop if we had not a latching circuit. For that we use a memory point. Then we use this memory point that use for the another timer to be start. Name as this timer is T38 এবং time is 60 seconds. Now dear viewers, show that we want to, when the 38 timer is finished, then the motor will be start. For that we this timer 338 contact is here to make this motor automatically start. We level at 338. When this timer is finished, that is after 60 seconds, we have to be reset this memory. So we use this normally open close contact to before this memory point. When this timer finished, this memory will be reset. Now there we compile, there is no error, our program is almost finished. I am showing you the whole program. See, now our program is finished. Now I show how to can we simulate this program by S7-200 simulator. The simulator cannot directly download this program. This program have to be converted in another format. This is text so that file is awl. So we export this program for using in simulator. Select the destination where we select this program, save the export this program, save name as motor 60 seconds. Now go to the simulator, open simulator. We inform the simulator password is 6596. Load the program, that program we exported. Select motor 60 seconds, then open. Now we show the whole program at a time. Then we start the PLC. Okay, there you see that motor PLC started. The status mode, you see the whole status of this program. Now we want to start this program. Push the start button. There you said that motor is starting. Same time the timer is starting, and it is counting time. After 60 seconds the motor will be stopped. You see, 60 seconds the motor is stopped, and the another timer is started. This timer is counting time. After the 60 seconds this motor will be again start. The 338 contact will be closed. See, then you see the motor is started, and then another 337 timer is counting. After the 337 counting finish, motor will be stopped. The 38 timer will be counted. See, this counting, motor is stopped. Since the motor is again start. If we want to whole sequence is to stop, the users also see the PLC status is the motor 1, motor is running, light is if we want to stop the whole system, when the motor will stop, we will be press the stop button. See, press the stop button and whole sequence is stop. Again I show again you the pressing the start button, start, and the sequence is started. If you want to stop the sequence, press the stop button. Dear viewer, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thank you for watching.